Suddenly started. You can see here.
Yes.
Happening. See, first what I did is I went to command line and went to root directory C. So in C, I use a make directory command and I created a directory with the help of command make dir hello react. Then what
Yes.
happened? There is a hello react is created here.
Yes, sir.
So then afterwards in hello react I made one that is hello MUI. Okay.
Yes.
Created one more hello MUI. So in hello MUI I created a React project with the help of this command npx create react app hello world. So basically I'm creating a hello world app now. So React app. So it's running a command and it's creating like this. Okay.
Yes.
It takes some time. Let us wait for it.
Yes.
For this, basically, you already have set up environment of installing Visual Studio, Node, and other necessary things. First, we'll create a hello world. Then we will add one more component to that from MUI library. So that
Yes. Yes.
okay. So now, once you get this message, assume that everything is fine. Okay. For that, what you have to do is hello world. So the moment you type this, what it is doing? It is going
Yes.
to that particular directory. So now go dot like this you type, then open it in the studio code. So now you got this particular code distribution
Yes.
project created. So when you go and see your physical path of that wherever you given in command prompt like this,
Yes.
see hello react, hello UI, hello world. So this
Yes.
folders will be available. All these files will be available.
Yes.
Now what I will do is I'll just click terminal. So then I will run this npm start.
Okay, sir.
Okay, when I type npm start, it will run the program and show me the world.
Yes.
By default, React project will run
Yes.
3000 port on localhost and your web application with hello world is ready.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is what you're going to get. Okay, now
Yes.
go to ChatGPT and let
Yes.
ChatGPT know that uh, installed. I have created React app and my hello world is ready and working. Now I want to create simple other component file with React button. Bring it in app.js.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
wait, now what it will ask you to do is it will ask you to create a new folder, right? That folder name is it will ask you to
My
create
button.
new file with mybutton.js. So
Yes.
for that, what you have to do is, as a best practice, click this, create a new folder, folder name with components. In that components, you create a new file. That file name is mybutton.js. So that mybutton.js, go ahead and copy paste this code. That code says, okay, when you see this white round circle, it is not saved. Click Control S, it will be saved. Now, components mybutton.js, you got it. Now, you need to refer that in your app.js. What is your app.js? Your app.js is like this. So I'll come back here, select this and replace this my what? My app.js. And again I'll say you will get error. The
Yes.
error you are going to get is path is not correct. What is the path? This path is not correct because my path is
Yes.
components under my button.
My buttons. Yes.
So for that, what you have to do, import my button, and you can see a path here. Okay, my
Yes.
button, components, my button. Okay, now you review this code. So when you save this, you don't have any error. Okay,
Yes.
you don't have any error. Click here below web back compiled successfully. Click here, click Control C. So then it will ask you to terminate. Press
Yes.
Y. Terminates.
Yes.
So now running terminal is okay. The moment running terminal is closed, the working web application will stop there. So now
Yes.
again, what you have to do? Click npm start.
Yes.
When you click npm start, this particular project will make you to run with previous hello world example. Then you have a
Yes.
click me button that is coming from different component. What is the
Yes.
component? This component.
My
In this
buttons.
component, you added simple button. Then you added one functionality on click. Button was clicked. Okay, this function is
Yes.
called. Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Are you able to follow?
Yes.
Yasmin,
What?
any
Sir?
doubts? Any doubts here?
No, sir.
No, right?
No, sir.
So now what I'll do now, instead of a simple button, I will go and use MUI button, the same code. Okay. For that, what I will do, I will click MUI material,
Yes.
MUI.com. So I'll come here, click MUI Go.
Yes.
get started. Welcome to installation. So, and I have a command here for MUI installation. So that what I will do, I will close this. Yes, that I will go and install npm install MUI library.
Yes.
This MUI library, the button which you are seeing was a simple straightforward button React. But here you have a lot of other library components which you can use for your project, which are
Yes.
free available. So you can go on mute. If you have any queries, then only you can ask me.
Yes.
Ask me.
Yes.
Since I'm recording that, this will be useful for your reference. Okay, go on
Okay.
mute for now.
Yes.
So if you have a query, then you can ask. Huh?
Yes.
Go on mute once.
Yes.
So now, when you have query, you can ask me. So now I'm
Yes.
going to use mute. Okay, with style components, npm install. I'm going to install. Now, I'm going to come here and I'll copy paste this command. Okay, there are another commands for font, icons, bar. If I am doing it the first time, I'll just go ahead and stop this also. So what I did is I just let ChatGPT know that I created another component file with MUI button. So that code I'm just copy pasting here. So now this is for MUI button. Okay, MUI button. So now for that app.js is this one. Our app.js is modified. Save it. What I do is I just click start. So now your app.js is having normal React button, then MUI button. So for MUI button, you installed all the necessary libraries. Now, previously your output was like this. Now this output will have another button from MUI, which is rendered from MUI button.js. Okay, MUI button.js. So it's running, let it run. Okay, here I'm getting error because path is not correct. My button path is not correct. What is the my button path is? Path is this one. Okay, so this is not correct. So for this, I just need to go and change this to button because it's the correct path. I'll say it. Because my button, my button is here now. My button is here. So for that, app.js, my button. Okay, you need to change it to my button. Okay, my button is this one, and this is the path. Okay, my button. Then the issue will be gone. Okay, so now when is that? Can you see this? So this is the MUI button, this is the regular button, and this is your hello world. Hello world is here, and you added one React component here, and you added this is MUI button was clicked. This one button was clicked. So from here you are getting from component folder MUI button, my button like this. Okay, so this is one thing. So then when you come here, you have a lot of other components. What is it components? Inputs component. So what I'll do is I'll create one more folder to keep all input components in this particular folder. So I'll come here and I'll select create folder by name inputs. So under inputs you have autocomplete and button. So I'll click button. So under inputs, I have many other components. For now, I clicked button. So you have basic button example like this. Okay, basic button example like this. If you want to create button with only text contained outline, you have this. Click this expand code. When you click this expand code, you will get two options, TypeScript and JavaScript based. Since I am using TypeScript JavaScript based project, I'm going to use JavaScript. So click this JavaScript, the collapse code will be collapsed, expand code and copy this source code. Okay, copy this source code. What I will do, you need to ensure that basic buttons like this only, you need to have your file name. Okay, I'll come here and click basic buttons dot js. In basic buttons.js, I will copy paste this. So now I need to render this basic buttons.js in my app.js. For that, what I will do, I will just copy paste this. Okay. So otherwise, I'll show you other way around here. So here, I'll come here and click this basic. Can you see this? There is a basics buttons, right? Press tab, then do like this. What happened? You can see here automatically basic buttons reference is available. Okay, basic buttons reference is available. So now what you do is refresh this, then you can see text contained outline. You can see all that is required for your project. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just to keep it neat and clean, I'll remove this part and I will remove rest everything which is not required for me now, image and all. I'll just keep only can you see this? Okay, I just remove rest of the thing. Okay, so running this way. NPM start. Now I just kept only basic buttons. I will save it. I just save it and it's running. Let us wait. Okay. Can you see this? Only these three things are available now. Like this, what you have to do is you have to try to do each and every component from this particular code. Okay. Okay. Now I will go and create one more all input related creating input file. So I'll create one more basic button .js that is here, code is here. I'll just copy paste this. While doing that, you can understand what the code will do, modify it a little bit here and there. Okay, so I'll come to app.js. I will just render this. Right. One second. Spark. Recognize. Okay, just modify the code. Now, when I modify the code, you can see 1, 2, 3. Like that, all these three buttons are grouped here. So, similarly, what you need to do is you need to do all these autocomplete button group checkbox, everything in input folder. So, when you're doing two little bit changes, take help of ChatGPT and modify that, understand and practice that. All these things, okay, under inputs. When you're going to do data display, then you come down here and create one more folder with the new folder data display. Then in that data display, you create a new file for badge, avatar, and all. Okay. Then you continue with other examples. So hope it's clear. First, I will stop recording to keep it short.